let's make a super thick and soft chocolate chip cookie for one. Yes, just one cookie. Whisk together melted butter, both sugars and vanilla until combined. Then add plain flour, salt, bicarbonate of soda and milk and mix to form a dough. Fold in the chocolate chips, then roll it into a ball and bake in the oven for around 8 minutes. Sprinkle with salt if you wish and serve slightly warm. Enjoy!
Bunny bopping along, hop, hop, hopping and singing his song. When he starts bopping,
Little Easter meringues are so easy to make, a little bit of a showstopper, but definitely a light dessert for Easter, but of course still absolutely covered in your favourite chocolate, with a little bit of chocolate swirl in the meringue as well. To start, add your egg whites to a bowl and whisk until stiff peaks, and add caster sugar 1 teaspoon at a time. Add white wine vinegar and corn flour and whisk for a few more minutes until it looks like this. Pipe onto large trays. I find it easier to stick parchment down with meringue, and you basically just dollop your meringue on like so. Add a bit of chocolate to each one, and then just carefully swirl through a little bit like this so you can have fun, and then bake in a preheated oven, and of course leave them to cool fully. Once they have cooled, transfer to your serving dish and then decorate with whipped cream, dollops, and of course Easter chocolates to boot.
Marvelous.
Here's how to make my delicious no-bake Oreo cheesecake. It's a classic, it's delicious, and of course absolutely full of the Oreo flavour with an Oreo base, filling and topping. Start making this Oreo cheesecake by blitzing your Oreos and adding in melted butter, mixing together and pressing into the base of an 8-inch springform tin as firmly as you can. In a new large bowl, add your cream cheese, your icing sugar and then your vanilla. Whisk this until thick. Add in double cream and whisk it again until thick, or whisk separately and fold through and add in your Oreo crumbs. Mix together until combined and then add onto your base. Make sure to pat this into the sides, smooth over completely, and then set in the fridge overnight for best results. Once you've done this, you can decorate. I use swirls of whipped cream, Oreos and Oreo biscuit crumbs to of course decorate, and then I enjoy
End of a love